Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I am going to be showing you how I put on lashes underneath my own lashes, so the lash line or whatever. A lot of people, actually pretty much everybody, puts lashes on top of their lashes and I cannot do it. Like, I've tried. I'm not kidding. I wore lashes last Friday night and I went to see my girlfriend's house. I just drove there and by the time I got there, the inner corner had popped up. I mean, and I had taken 40 minutes to put them on. The struggle is so real and I literally cannot do it. So I was doing some research on this lash company called Lashify and I was interested, so I bought them. And the reason why I say it like that is because I caught myself up with the drama from the owner of Lashify and Manny MUA, and I have to say I really don't like the way that she handled that at all. It was like watching a car accident and not being able to do anything about it. It was horrible. But as a lover and lash extension addict, I was curious, so I got them anyway, and I will definitely be doing a first time review on those. But this video isn't about that. What happened was I was watching how they put those lashes on, and then that led to me watching tutorials of other people putting lashes on underneath the eye. Now, I've heard of this before, being an actress, okay? I've definitely heard of this before because when you do it not underneath the eye, I mean like underneath the lashes. When you do it like that, you can't see the strip and it just looks natural. And I love it. So I decided to try it, and I'm not kidding. I did it with my fingers. I didn't even have my handy dandy lash tool, and it worked seamlessly. Like, there was no problem whatsoever. And I was shooketh, okay? So I decided to do it live on my Instagram account. It was perfect, flawless. And I'm like, you know what? I'm sorry, I'm staring at myself. How you doing, girl? You look cute. Anyways, I was like, let me do a tutorial. So I took notes because I have ADD, in case you haven't noticed, and I will forget. I do just want to say this one thing. I noticed on the tutorials that a lot of lash beauty gurus were having trouble. They were like, and I think the reason why is because they might not have ever worn contacts before. I wore contacts for 15 years. I also had LASIK, so I had to sit there with my eyes open while the cutter thing cut the flap open and moved it up, and then the laser went long and then put it back down, and it happened twice on both eyes. So I can touch my eyeball. It like doesn't scare me. So for me, this way is insanely easy, and it's like I mean, I couldn't believe how easy it was. I was like, really, on the first try? Are you kidding me? So I will say though, if you're not used to or comfortable with things being really close to your eyeball, you're probably gonna freak out like that. And this might not be the right way for you, but hello, if you're a contact survivor, this way is definitely for you. So let's get started. I'm gonna zoom you in. I got my notes. You're gonna curl your lashes first. I don't know if you can tell, but my lashes are naturally curly and I don't have to do this step. Lucky me. But if you have lashes that go straight down or they're not, or like straight out, whatever, oh my god, you're gonna have some trouble trying to put some lashes on. So go ahead and curl your lashes. And then the lashes that you do decide to use, I want you to curl those too. Just go ahead and curl them before you put them on. And then if you want to re-curl it after they're on, go ahead and do that. But it's just easier if both of the lashes are curled, your real ones and the fake ones we're gonna put on. The next step is to put on mascara. I'm just using regular Tarte mascara. I don't know exactly what this is called. I got this in one of my beauty boxes. I think it was the Allure box. And you're gonna do a thin coat. Put it on top of your lashes and then on the bottom, but you don't want it to be clumpy. And then I actually brought like all of my lashes and I don't know which ones I want to use. These are Cocoa lashes. Cocoa lashes right here. This is what they look like. They are 501, so they're really flirty and just natural and pretty. So I'm gonna use these actually. Since they are natural, this is a tutorial. And next time I do a makeup tutorial, I am gonna put lashes on that way and I'll just use the more dramatic ones, okay? So what I like to do is wrap these around my finger just to like this, and sometimes it won't stick, so I'll hold it. I'll hold it like this. It's probably not gonna focus on my dang finger. Okay, there you go. Hold it there for about 10 seconds. It puts the curl back into the lash. All right. So what we do when you're putting lashes on underneath the lash line, you're gonna wanna cut your lashes in half. Exactly right down the middle. I think it's a great idea. If you try to put the lashes on whole, like not cut in half, it's impossible. It's not gonna work. Okay, next step, I'm gonna start with the ends. These are not clean. They have been worn once, but I mean, trust me, I could have used clean lashes for these. I could have taken the time to wash these, but let's be honest, we don't clean the lashes every single time. Unless you do, then oh my god, you are Beyonce and keep at it, girl. But I don't. So I just wanted to do like a real review with real lashes, you know, and just show you that even though they've been worn once and they still got some old glue on them, like you can still do it. So what you're gonna do, normally you would put glue on like underneath it, because normally you put lashes on like that. But we're putting these lashes on our real lashes. We're not putting on the waterline, y'all. You will be crying because of the glue. You're gonna put it on top. So right up here and not underneath it. So I've got the glue on, all right? I'm gonna wave it around a little bit and let it dry. So then what you do is you just put them on the lashes like that. Just sit it there and wait. And don't blink like I just tried to. Betrayed. Alright. I should have blinked before I put them on. Okay, set them there. And then just, look, I'm watering. It's because I didn't blink, y'all. I apologize. Just let them sit. Just let them sit. Okay, if you go in and try to like squeeze them together and make them mush and make them look better, the glue has not fully dried yet and they will come off. And you will be super annoyed. Okay, I'm talking from experience. And you know what? Can I just say something like real quick? Just real quick, y'all. Let me just say this. This is so pretty by itself that I mean I could stop here. I mean, clearly I would put this side on, but like I think that's so pretty. It just looks so natural. Is that just me? Y'all let me know. Let me know. I think it's pretty. All right, so I'm gonna squish it together now. I think it's had enough time. Marriage. Done. Okay. Onto the inner corner now. You see how easy that was? That took me one try, y'all. This is not edited. Got the inner corner piece, putting lash glue on top of the strip where it's gonna touch your lashes. Not in the center, not on the bottom. Put it on top. And this is how much I've got on it. And then I'm just gonna fan it for like 10 seconds. Okay, same thing. Just put it right next to the strip. Not on your waterline, but as close to the waterline as you can. Oh, hold on, that inner corner said, not today, Jesus, and I say, yeah, today, bro. Alright, so it's there, but don't squeeze it yet, because it will fall off. So just sit and enjoy yourself. While I'm waiting, I'm gonna go ahead and cut this one in half. This one is not ready to be squeezed. It's like, don't touch me, woman. Okay, my bad. There we go. See, to me that's like not scary. So I'm sure to other people having your finger this close to your eye is like traumatizing. I remember when I was 8, I had just cut in contacts and my mom had like real nails. They were longer than this and pointy, y'all. And she was like, here, let me put your contact in for you, Alisha. And I'd be like, so if this freaks you out, I feel you. I was there. Since it happened in my childhood, I am strong now. You could put a laser in my eye, which is what happened. Okay, so do you see this? Like, are you kidding me? Do you see how pretty that is? Come on. Like, okay, we're gonna move on to this side because I literally cannot. All right, we're gonna start with the outer corner again. And I've actually done this and I started with the inner corner first and it's like this, it's the same thing. So y'all don't even worry about it. We fanning? All right, putting these on as close to the lash line or waterline as possible, but not on the waterline. Give it 30 seconds, okay? Let the glue get even more tacky. She ready? So I like to push it up into the lashes like that, and then I'll squeeze it. Girl, yes! And I'm done. Okay, you guys, I mean, I don't really know what else to say. That's it. That is how easy it is. I'm obsessed. Like, I look like I just got my lashes done. What the flip and the flip? Look how pretty it is. So give this video a thumbs up if you like it so that I know that you liked it. Please subscribe, of course, all that jazz. Thank you so much for watching. I might put some bloopers from the old video in this one just because they're like pretty funny. So if you see that, like after this, that's what happened. You're welcome. All right, thanks for watching, you guys. Love you. If you have any questions, let me know. Bye. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. That was so weird. Baby carrot. Ow! And my tooth. Ow! Ow! Like I'm wearing yoga pants. What's that? Hello? Is it just like I didn't want to do dramatic? I'm trying to introduce you to the family. So the what? Oh, I need to trim those eyebrows, girl. Alright, hold on. Hold on, I have a cramp. Okay, she ready now? She ready for real? Peach fuzz. ADD. Sweet mother of pearl. Finn just farted. I'm gonna act like he did not. Woo! Jesus, give me some strength. Okay. Finn! You nasty! Oh God, it's still here. Keep it secret. Keep it safe. That's a Lord of the Rings reference for you non-nerds. That's what I call the slow-mo, where I'm like, Finn, you really just made it sound like I was farting. Okay, say bye. What? You did it. I love you.